Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get big, luscious lips without getting lip injections because some of us can't afford lip injections, so we have to use some makeup technique and other stuff to get our lips nice and big. So I'm going to show you how to make your lips go from this to this. Through these techniques, you'll learn how to get big, beautiful lips that make you feel sexy and confident, because I know with my small lips, I always feel so unconfident if I go out because I like smile and you literally cannot see my top lip and I'm like, oh my gosh. But I don't really have the money to get lip injections, and I'm also a little scared to get lip injections. So I just use these techniques to get bigger lips. Hi, I am having the most difficulty ever trying to set up this video. It's like I'm already running late for something and like I can't get the tripod to stand, I can't get the background to, like, my camera's gonna die in literally like 2 minutes. So like everything is telling me not to make this video right now, but I'm gonna make it. The first step to getting big, full, luscious lips is to exfoliate your lip with a lip scrub. So I'm just using this little one. So this is Chapstick Total Hydration. I literally just pulled it up out of Ulta, but it really does not matter which one you use. So of course having nails makes this literally so difficult. I'm like, how do I? You just gotta kind of finesse somehow and then exfoliate. So I like it when there's like a lot of little like granules in it, because then I can like really rub my lips, and like the more like raw you get them. One thing about when you're trying to get your lips bigger without lip injections is like you kind of want them to hurt a little bit. And I know you're thinking like, what the heck, but you know, it's either that or a needle. So the next thing I like to add in is peppermint oil, and you can get this peppermint oil literally anywhere. So I'm just gonna take a little bit onto my lip. And peppermint oil has like a plumping effect because it might be like an irritant or something. I don't really know. But so it will burn a little bit. And if you get it on your tongue, it's going to be so gross. But like I said, this is just the cost of it all. And then just exfoliate with the peppermint oil for a little while.
Oh, here we go.
See, my lips are already starting to look like so much better. I really have a super small top lip and a small mouth. So all of this like is so necessary to me, or otherwise I feel super self-conscious. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more peppermint oil. You can kind of just go really. So you can kind of just add as much as you'd like.
And then I'm just gonna kind of let it sit and really get in the lips.
So now that my lips are a little bit more irritated and ready to go, now here's the real kicker. We're gonna use Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. Disclaimer, this is going to burn the hell out of your lips. Like the hell out of your lips. And I want you to be prepared. But I also want you to know that if you want big, luscious lips, you have to put yourself through this pain to get what you want. So no crybabies. If you're gonna be a big baby about it and go on Amazon and type out how, oh my gosh, this burnt my lips, or this made my lips swell, like, duh, that's what it is. It's a lip plumper. Okay, so now we're gonna put this on. So now we're just gonna kind of let this sit. And usually while I let this sit, I'll go and do something else on my face. I'm like totally ready, so I don't have anything else to do, but I'll just let this sit for like a few minutes. You're gonna start to feel a little bit of burning, a little bit of stuff, but that means it's working and you want it to work, right? So just kind of let this sit and resonate on your lips. Meanwhile, you can go and do something else. Pretty much then once I feel like I'm ready to start putting on lip color, I'm gonna wipe it off because I don't want all my like lip color sticking to this. I'm just using this as a way to start getting my lips plumped. As you can see, it's starting to work. Okay, so now we have let the Too Faced lip injection soak in, and we have now wiped it off, and I'm gonna go in with two different lip liners. This lip liner, as you can see, it is like a little bit more of a precise pencil versus this is ColourPop. This is a little bit more of a creamy pencil. So I'm gonna go in with the more precise pencil and line first. So what we're gonna do is go right on the outside of our lips. We don't want to like draw a shape that's not technically there. So I really just like to line right on the outside. With that. So the key is just to not like go crazy and draw something that's really not there, because that looks so ridiculous, but really just to like line on the outside of your lips. So it might like be a little bit on what is not really your lip, but then it kind of looks natural. Now I'm going to go back in with the creamy one. Super. And I like having a Cupid's bow. Some people like to fill that in, but I really like having one there. So as you can tell, and you can put two lines here if you want. As you can tell, my lips already look so much bigger. So next I'm just gonna go in with this matte shade. It really doesn't matter what happens next, but I'm just gonna go in with the matte shade. And I don't want anything, I don't want to go over the line. Like I don't want to go further than the liner. That's super important. This more so just blends the liner in with the lips. And see how it's a little bit over my natural lip, but it's not like ridiculous clown looking. See? Okay, super. So yeah, that's really it. And what you want, you can stop here, or you can follow the next step that I'm gonna do before I put on a gloss. But yeah, it's super easy. So this next step is totally optional. So I'm gonna take the tape shape, and I'm gonna take this little flathead brush, just put a little bit on and go under, and you can use this to kind of correct any shape you might have messed up. But it also kind of just makes the lips overall look sharper.
And bigger.
Perfect. So use this technique if you just want to make your lips look sharper, you want to manipulate the shape a little bit, or you just overall want to make them look bigger. Okay, and the final step is, so I'm gonna go in with a gloss, and I'm gonna go back in with the Too Faced lip injection gloss. You don't have to do this, but I think it's gonna be a good compliment. This will just give your lips that extra fullness all night. Alright, and that is the completed look. How to make your lips big naturally without lip injection. So one other little tip other than makeup, if you want to make your lips look bigger all night, kind of talk like in a pout, like pout. And then always soft smile with your lips and just push them out. Literally just push them out like.
Yeah, no, just kind of like be conscious of your lips and always push them out. And people will always get the illusion that they're bigger than they really are. And that is my goal. Oh, they look good. Oh, yeah.
Ew, that was so gross. I'm so sorry for this.